This Jemirry ceramic baking dish set of 3 is the ultimate addition to any modern kitchen, combining functionality, durability, and elegant design in one versatile set. Designed for home chefs and casual cooks alike, this set allows you to bake, roast, serve, and present dishes with ease and style. Whether preparing lasagna for a family dinner, roasting vegetables for a holiday feast, or baking bread for a weekend brunch, these dishes provide the perfect balance of size, depth, and heat distribution to ensure consistent, delicious results every time. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Each piece in this set is crafted from high-quality porcelain, designed to promote even heat conductivity and ensure perfectly cooked meals. The ceramic material is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and is compatible with microwaves, dishwashers, and freezers. Unlike metal or low-quality ceramic bakeware, Jemirry dishes retain heat exceptionally well, providing a more controlled and even cooking environment while preserving moisture and flavor in your food. The reactive white glaze design not only adds a touch of sophistication to your table, but also makes daily cleaning effortless. The set includes 3 generously sized dishes, 14.37 by 8.66 by 2.75 inches, 12.2 by 7.28 by 2.36 inches, and 10.43 by 6.1 by 1.97 inches. These dimensions ensure that there is a perfect fit for any recipe, from individual servings to family-sized casseroles. The extra depth of each dish prevents spillovers, allowing you to cook without worrying about messy oven cleanup. These dishes are ideal for preparing a wide variety of meals including lasagna, casseroles, roasted chicken, gratins, quiches, soups, bread, pasta dishes, flans, pumpkin recipes, seafood casseroles, and more. One of the standout features of the Jemirry ceramic baking dish set is its balance of elegance and practicality. The reactive white finish complements any kitchen decor while doubling as a serving dish that can go straight from oven to table. The smooth interior surface ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup simple and quick. Additionally, the ergonomic handles provide a secure grip, making it safe and convenient to move hot dishes directly from oven to table. This set also makes for a thoughtful, practical gift. Whether for housewarmings, birthdays, holidays, Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Valentine's Day, the Jemirry ceramic baking dish set impresses with both beauty and functionality. Its stylish design, combined with its durable performance, ensures that it will be used and appreciated for years to come. Why this set stands out? Unlike many bakeware sets on the market, the Jemirry ceramic baking dish set combines deep, practical dimensions with a sophisticated design that looks just as good on the table as it performs in the oven. The high-quality porcelain ensures even heat distribution, reducing the chances of burnt edges or undercooked centers. The elegant reactive white glaze enhances any table setting, making it perfect for entertaining or casual meals alike. Real-life use scenarios. Imagine preparing a rich, cheesy lasagna for a family dinner. The deep Jemirry dish holds layers of pasta, sauce, and cheese without spilling over, while distributing heat evenly to ensure every bite is perfectly cooked. Hosting a holiday meal? Roast a whole chicken or a medley of vegetables directly in the same dish. Then bring it straight to the table to impress your guests. For dessert, create individual bread puddings, flans, or banana casseroles in the smaller dishes. This set's versatility allows you to cook multiple dishes at once and present them beautifully, saving both time and effort. Safety and practical tips. Preheat oven according to your recipe. Avoid direct flame or induction cookers. Use oven mitts when handling hot dishes to prevent burns. Allow dishes to cool before cleaning to avoid thermal shock. Stack dishes carefully to prevent chipping of the ceramic surface. Clean with mild detergent and avoid abrasive scrubbers to maintain the glaze. Who should buy? The Jemirry ceramic baking dish set is perfect for home chefs, casual cooks, families, and entertainers who value both functionality and style in their bakeware. It is also ideal for gift buyers who want to combine practicality and elegance in one present. From everyday meals to special holiday dinners, this set elevates cooking and presentation effortlessly. Final thoughts. The Jemirry ceramic baking dish set of 3 is a versatile, elegant, and durable solution for all your baking and serving needs. With high-quality porcelain construction, deep designs to prevent spills, and a stylish reactive white finish. This set makes cooking and entertaining both convenient and beautiful. It's a kitchen investment that balances performance, presentation, and practicality. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home the convenience, elegance, and durability of the Jemirry ceramic baking dish set. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.